Hey, Vinyika, good morning bwana.
Good
morning. You good? Leo kazi imekupita. Imekupita. Hey guys, this is Bunyige. We had a guy the other day. Hey, good morning guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends with the place you're watching us from. Today is another special day, guys. We are here and it's a really amazing day that we are finishing up on this other room, the floor and everything, so we can check on how stuff are going. So feel free to subscribe, like, share and leave us a comment. And through this I really appreciate your love and support, guys, because each and every cent is really counted, and whatever you donate, it's really on the work over here. The other day Gilberto just came and assigned the work, and he had gone to another site and he'll be back. So because today we never wanted it to be this way, so we want all rooms to be having a very nice what you call like way. And also today we'll be doing what we call like a plaster on not even a plaster, they're finishing up this end. They're finishing up this end, which is very better. And we were feeling like we can put up stairs here and there, so that it can be very, very better. So what's up today? We are here with the Bunyige, the storyteller. And the Bunyige the other day, you see, things were really not okay with him. But today, no job, because the masons were not here. So Bunyige, you take me to your home so that we can go check and take me around. Yeah. So guys, we want to know the story of this guy Bunyige. Why was he? Why were you drinking? Why were you having? So you acted very fast. Even you were really. I was really like, well, man, is this guy going to fight us over here? You know? But let's wait and see what really happened, man. Because when you are sober, you are a very calm, cool guy, and most people were like, "Hey, Claude, we need to know the story of Bunyige, and we need to know what's going on around." So, guys, we are at the orphanage, and today being a day we are on holiday. Actually, most of the kids or most of the schools are closing, and right now they're on a holiday, and that's why you see today. It's a cool way, and also both my kids also and my brothers have also are home today because schools are closing. You know, in Kenya we always have a break where kids have to study and have to do what we call like have a break. So this day was the other day, man, when you were here and I was telling you don't enter, usiingie kwa hii boma, and you were really like, hey, what's wrong with this? So guys, he's a very cool guy. And despite that, nini kilifanya ile siku, I want to just hear his story, and maybe you can see also his background, because things sometimes might do what we call like make you feel you are going mad. Yeah, so what happened? Mara nini ilifanyika ile siku hadi ukajaribu kukuja na fujo?
Ile siku nilikuwa mrevi kabisa. Sasa venye ulikuja ukanipea advice, niachane hizo vitu, nini ukanishauri. Nikaona ushauri wako ni mzuri. Enyewe nimeachana hizo vitu kabisa. Sasa hii ni
you're okay. Uko sawa. Guys, despite that today he never got a job. And he never got a job, so he want to take me to his home. And whatever he's saying, that the other day when he got drunk and he was really mad at us over here, I really sat him down and advised him, and I even told him, bro, make sure that tomorrow you come here when you are sober, that you can work. So the following day he did a very good way. He was very early here. He came very early, and then I offered him a job, and he really worked very politely. Despite that, the following day he was also called to go and also work another side. So since that day I haven't had any wrongdoings with him. I haven't heard about Bunyige being drunk. I haven't heard him being drunkard. I haven't heard him, because he's telling me, man, you really saved me, because I was thinking that when drinking will really help me, because he was very drunk and was really bringing a lot of commotion to the orphanage. And I really told him, if you continue with this and you are coming at the orphanage, nilikwambia polisi watakufuata. I told him you'll be on a police case, and you know this is an orphanage. It's not a home like maybe your home or my home where you can come and bring all your strategies and maybe your things to fight. So if you fight here, you'll end up in jail. And because these kids have no parents, they are total orphans, so you'll be bringing in something that is not okay. So anyway guys, we are walking here. When is Jirani hapa? He's a neighbor to the orphanage. The orphanage is just right here, and we are walking by towards here. So let's go to Bunyige's place. Yeah. We see what's having. Yeah, so kuna mahindi kama haya.
Mahindi nayo ni vidogo tu. Hata hadi havuna hata mbolea. Havuna hadi hata mbolea.
Havuna mbolea. Guys, do you really know? I wish you could have been understanding Swahili. What is saying that my maize are very small. They don't even have mbolea. Na pesa ulikuwa unafanyia kazi hapa. Ama matumizi yalikuwa
matumizi kwa nyumba hapa na pale. Hasa mtu ukiwa na familia unajua unapata tu inaenda hapo.
Guys, he's telling me that the man that he has been working for a lot of less responsibilities. Kwani umeoa?
Nimeoa. Kuna watoto wawili.
2 kids.
Yeah.
Hey, Bunyige. Bunyige is really fighting. He's a street fighter. You know, he has 2 kids and he has a wife at home. So mostly things are really moving on this other end. That's what we call responsibility, one. Matumizi, majukumu ni mengi. Guys, this place, it's really disturbing us. Mostly when we bring materials, when it rains. This end, hii barabara ingine ni nzuri, lakini kukifikia hapa unakuwaga na tope ingine noma. So guys, let's walk and see how everything is. And I love the neighborhood, man. People have really invested. I see there's also somebody who has built a very nice house. There's another one who has built another very good house there. And it's only that the electricity is not with us. That very far from the other end is good. Salama. But we kama lipanda mapema. Guys, this guy with has a very nice maize compared to the other neighbors. So he's telling me this guy planted maize earlier, you know. So we are heading to Bunyige's home, and we can see Bunyige's home, how Bunyige is looking. Well, he just came here early in the morning for the work, but unfortunately today we never worked with a lot of masons and handmen, so he missed. So I was like, let me take this opportunity to go also document his story, because sometimes you might paint him as a bad person, but honestly maybe it was emotions that drove him towards whatever he did the other day. And with me, you know, I have a heart of before judging somebody, I have to know that why did he do this. That's why after later on when the steams went low, I just called him and told him, man, come, can we talk a little bit? Maybe you tell me why you are doing this and why you so this way. So he talked to me, and I told him, man, if you want to be a good guy and work with people, sometimes don't drink. Alcohol is not an investment. Alcohol will just bring you down, and most people who drink alcohol, they drink it after work. Maybe when they have done work, they have seen, okay, this money is just for a top up, let me go drink. But they don't drink the way you are drinking until you want to fight. So he really understood, and he promised me that, man, from today I won't do that. And for sure, even the other day, nakumbuka nilikutana mtoni huko, ulikuwa tu very sober. Yeah. I met him at the river here during the evening time when I was coming from the orphanage, and he was really okay, you know. So let's go to the, and maybe the wife will tell us. Kama unatudanganya bibi yako atatuambia. Wewe siku kweli hujakunywa.
Niliacha na ile kwanza ile siku nilienda tutaacha.
Guys, utakupatia reward leo, utakununulia leo lunch leo. I'm telling him today Hey, somebody fell down. Huh? I'm telling him today, if for sure he really did what you call like never drunk, I'm going to buy him lunch with the family today as a tip for the good work that he's doing. And also I'm feeling much proud and very much happy for him, because if I really told him not to do it and he never did it, he listened, which means he can change. You know, sometimes it's like most people lack mentorship, and most people lack maybe somebody who can tell them to stop this, and maybe they're not bad, but because of a face. Oh, hapa ena tumetembea hapa tunavuka hivi video kuja hapa. So I'm telling you guys, most people might look, you know, mostly everybody has his or her own story. So some people lack maybe mentorship. They lack somebody who can tell them this is good or this is bad, and they can have a room to change. Like Bunyige has a room to change. He really told me I'm changing, and he really changed, and that's why you see today I'm with him here. Oh, haya ni mahindi yako? Sasa ni shamba yako kutoka huku juu venye ile miti iko? Okay. Man, you are a hard working man, boy. A very hard working man. Because maraba, sasa pombe ilikuwa kudrive vibaya. I'm telling him, alcohol was really driving him very badly. Hata kidogo acha mahindi, hata umeacha kidogo. So it's only mbolea. Hey, guys, you see he has a very nice farm, but some of the maize looks not okay because of fertilizer. Maybe if I'll have one, I just even try to buy him one gorogoro. Gorogoro ni shilingi ngapi?
Gorogoro moja ni 300 tu.
300. So I'll do 2 gorogoros for you. Takununulia gorogoro 2. Guys, I'm telling him that I'll buy him 2 gorogoros of penye tafutako ifikie. Maybe if someone is watching here and maybe he want to support also Bunyige by maybe buying, even adding him 1 gorogoro. So that is less than $5. So I'll just tuende huko nikutolee pesa. Ununue hiyo gorogoro 2. Alafu ujiweke mbolea. On the next video I want to see you putting mahindi, unaweka mahindi mbolea. Yeah. Na hii ndio mahindi ulipanda? DK. Guys, I also planted this. So this is DK 8033. Wow. Most people over here plant this kind of maize seedlings, which is very good bwana. Naona ni kazi nzuri kabisa unafanya bwana. Ni vile tu ulevi ilikuwa kuangusha chini kidogo. Hapa hujapalilia.
Hapa sijapalilia. Sasa naona nikipalilia hapa familia itakula nini? Haya niko hapa na hapa. Nakimbia hapa na hapa. Sasa nangangana tu pote naona. Hata hauna sijamaliza kupalilia hapa hivi.
Okay. Guys, he's saying that the reason why he hasn't finished weeding here is that he is always multitasking. Today he is at the farm, tomorrow the other time he's running to look food for the family, and that's how he's doing, man. And hii sasa nyinyi mshapasuliwa shamba nyinyi. Wewe usiwahi uza shamba, never sell the land. I'm trying to advise him, may him not sell the land, because this is inurity yako. Sasa hapo ukifocus hapa every single day, if you focus planting, harvesting, planting, you mix, you'll be very very much okay. Tuende nyumbani sasa. Guys, this is his project, Bunyige's project. So first we are here. I promised him 2 gorogoros. Gorogoro mbili za kadi kwa ingine. So I've promised him to buy him 2 gorogoros, and that's how life is over here. Because today he came to work, but unfortunately we had limited workers and handmen. So I saw him being like not in a good mood. I was like, no, let's go walk and we see how he's doing on this side. Wow. The story of Bunyige. Bunyige. Ni jirani pia.
Ni jirani.
Jirani yake amepanda. Watu kiweka mbolea yako na maintain usafi. Anaweza amka vibaya sana. You see guys, this is Africa. Na mliamua kuchimba mtaro mpaka.
Miti ilikuwa.
Okay. Kwa mahindi. Guys, they always say when you have this eucalyptus or trees, if they bring roots to your land will not be fertile. So that's why you see they dug a very long trench so that it cannot penetrate roots towards the home. Na mlichimba kweli all the way mpaka huko chini. So if like these roots, guys, you see roots like this, if they penetrate towards the land, you'll have nothing. Also they say these eucalyptus trees, they consume a lot of water, a lot of water from the ground. So for the better part, you do the cutting. Wow. So welcome to Bunyige's home. And this is Bunyige's place. Bunyige unaishi hapa kwa miti mizuri baridi.
Baridi ndani bwana.
Wewe unapiga tofali?
Sio mimi. Wewe ni brother yangu.
What is your brother? Pia anapiga tofali mzuri sana. Also this is how bricks are being made. They dig and then make bricks from this side. One thing I love, the fact I love this place is that you have a lot of trees. Bunyige huna simu?
Simu sina ukweli.
Bunyige wewe utatafuta aje Bunyige? Tukisema hata kama kuna kazi huko. Mtoto haogopi ng'ombe. Village life in Africa. A kid is very comfortable with a very big bull. And is less than 2 years kid. Enjoying life. This is our typical latrine or toilet that you see around. Wow. So we are moving. Leo hapo mataiga tu kucha mara.
Mataiga. Mataiga ni hapo.
Kina Charis. Guys, I know this place. Okay. I cannot get lost around. So guys, we have passed through a lot of homes. This was another home, and that's how we fence. Those are typical fence. Village life in Africa. We are moving on. Let's have a story of home. Bado hujatoka. Bado uko nyumbani. Okay. Bunyige tells us this is his home. And it's both parental home. He hasn't yet gotten out. Hodi.
Karibu.
Bunyige, tufunge kuku zisitoke. Just like that. Toto sasa. Hapa ni nyumbani. This is the home to. Oh wow. Nice Bunyige. So slowly by slowly, guys, this is Bunyige's home. And this has told you that today this is his home. This is our parents' home. He hasn't yet gotten out of parents' home. Hii nyumba ya kuku. Okay. Have a home for chicken and maybe parents' house. In Africa, we always say that whenever you are at home, the parents have to be the upper side, and him as a boy should be on the right side. Sindio one. He should be on the right side from the main entrance. So he acts as the guard. So actually, now I wonder. I know why. I know the reason why, because I told you guys, according to African traditional society, a last born, naambia ati last born hatokangi kwenye boma. Last born isn't supposed to get out of the home, but first born, second born, third born, fifth born should disperse out from the home, but the last born should remain at the home so that he acts as the guard of the parents. Yeah, so this is the humble background, humble beginning of Bunyige. And right here we are here, guys. There's sometimes he told you that he got drunk because of stress. Ni stress ilikufanya ukalewa kidogo. Oh, habari. Uko salama? Ndio bibi yako. Tena kusalimia pamuli. Pole lakini. This wife to Bunyige. Uko salama? Yeah, so this is the wife to Bunyige. Nimeambia Bunyige naenda kumtafutia 600 ya gorogoro ya nini? Ya mbolea. Sasa ataenda tafute mbolea na kesho aanze kuweka mahindi mbolea. I have just to tell the wife so that usikule pesa. Unajua sasa ushabadilika. Like si hajai leo toka ile siku. Hajai leo. Unakumbuka ile siku tukio kwa alikuwa nileta vurugu. Yeah, so the wife just clarified that since that day niliongea na yeye. Nikamwambia kwamba itampeleka sehemu. But akivumilia maisha itampeleka tu vizuri. So guys, the wife has just confirmed that since that day up to today, Bunyige have never gotten even to drink alcohol. So if you continue like this, Bunyige, maybe one day God will open ways and you'll have a better change of the home. Utapata nini, maisha yanabadilika mazuri. So some of the challenges that you pass through, ni pesa ya gorogoro ya mbolea. Sawa. So mbolea tu.
Bado hata ya
dish. Sasa kuna shamba, ukianza kuweka hivyo itaendelea tu mdogo. Sasa tulikuwa naye kazi huko lakini hakuwa kazi. Wacha nikaona si vizuri aanze arudi nyumbani. Nikamwambia acha tuende tutembee tuone nyumbani. Yeah. Like, si ndio? Yeah guys, we get to know. Unaitwa nani? Nancy Kerubu. And this is Bunyige. Yeah, so Bunyige to Nancy, and they have 2 kids. Yeah. 2 kids. Wow, nice. You can speak English, right? Kidogo. Yeah, tell people, talk to people. Waambie, wasalimie, tell who you are, your wife to Bunyige, and maybe what do you think. Today we have supported you with 2 gorogoros. Kitu kaa hiyo. Yeah, mbolea.
Hi guys.
Yes.
I'm Nancy.
Yes.
Wife of Bunyige. I have more challenges in my life.
Yes.
Because my husband was a drunkard.
Yes.
Mostly more times unapata ana drunk.
He was drinking.
Because
that mental of stress.
Yeah.
Yeah, but since I met him, yeah. I coached him. What happened since that day?
She's okay right now. Anaendelea kujaribu
he's trying
control kidogo.
Okay.
So yeah. I think challenge ni because of fertilizer.
Fertilizer. I've just said I'll buy him 2 gorogoros today. So tomorrow, maybe God willing, if we'll be waking up alive, I'll come and confirm. Munaeka makia for that. You are welcome. So guys, this is Bunyige bwana. Ukibadilika bana, maisha itakuwa tu mzuri. Hata mimi maisha ilikuwa hata iko sawa. Yetu ilikuwa worse than this. Very worse. But we trust God and we were like, at your age, no need of drinking. Sikunywe. Uko na familia sasa. Everybody is looking. All eyes are on you. You know, kids, wife, maybe parents are also just looking on you. And keep on working. Now, wakati huo kazi kwa huko, mumu nakuja hata mnapata kazi. Through that, I'm just trying to tell them, when there's work at the orphanage there, like now we are continuing slowly by slowly, just come and confirm. You see the other guy Marumi? Yeah. Marumi always comes for work. Hata kama anakosa, even if he gets no job, he'll be assigned maybe to work something small and then he'll get something for a day. You understand that? So if you change, Bunyige, life will also change. So I'm really much happy for you, and I'm really much happy for Kerubu Nancy. Thank you for welcoming me home, and God really will always bless you. So yeah, do you have a phone?
Yeah.
Or so I should channel this money to you, right?
Yeah.
Unaona aje nimtumie, si ndio?
Sawa.
Nimtumie. So guys, I want to send money to Nancy and she'll tell you if she has gotten it. Na leo pia mtakula, nitawekea kamia kajuka kukula lunch. Yeah, so guys, let's wait and see. Okay. Guys, I've sent you 750 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, you're welcome. And make sure you know what you call like put fertilizer. Sawa Bunyigi.
Thanks man.
You're welcome man. Yeah. And utaona jina ni Joseph Mokani. Tunalia nini? Familia mimi. Yeah? The last one. Okay, Bunyigi. So this is the house, the kitchen. No, to the chicken. Hii ni nyumba ya kuku guys, and I really love how life is around. Pole pole too. Slowly by slowly things will keep on moving. Okay, Nancy, thank you. Yeah. So salimia mimi. Yeah. So let us go back with Bunyigi. And maybe you'll go Mubai Mbolea. Yes, this is how you see the neighborhood. I've been here. I have a friend of mine called Chalibi. Chalibi comes from this side over here. That's why nakwambia Charis. You know Malala hapa baba. Oh, Baba Malala. This is the grave of the father. So yeah, may his soul rest in peace. That is his father. So which means now Bunyigi is acting responsibly to feed the mom, the kids, and her wife, his wife, the wife actually, I mean. So also the neighbors. We need to go. Oh, firstborn. Oh, this is the firstborn. That's why you see, guys, life is really the way it is. But we give thanks. Man, me, I want you to change, bro. I want you to just be a role model also to maybe others. You know, I'm happy that your wife understands English, you know, which is more better. Yeah, maybe also she could have said her phone number. I think so that maybe anybody will be helping, she can help. Cindy? Yeah, let's go back and she can mention her number here, guys. Maybe you are willing maybe to send her maybe directly something so that she can keep on moving and she can keep on supporting, because sometimes we have to really see until Bunyigi stands up well, and that's how you'll see. Because me, I'm a family man, and I really understand the urge of being pressed. Sometimes even $1 for you balance it. You have kids, you have an ailing grandma, you have your lands to be cultivated, something over there is waiting, maybe fueling your car, motorbike service. Sometimes you feel like your head is busting up, but through that you really have a challenge up. Nancy, kuja useme namba yako pamoja. Yeah, maybe for the people, yeah, maybe for the people who are watching us, maybe they can support you directly. Maybe you can start with +254 758.
7.
You can start +254.
+254.
Yes. 7.
02 28 31 16.
Okay guys, that's it. Amani mura, amani ndo muhimu mura, tafadhali. Sawa, that's how it will be, and let's wait and see how it will be. Let's go with the Bunyigi and things we'll see how stuff will be moving on around. All right. Wow, so this is how you see. So we'll be heading back and we see how stuffs will be. Wow, Bunyigi. You know? So you always come from here to the orphanage to work. Unatokanga hapo kienda kwa orphanage kufanya kazi?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Naenda huko nafanya kazi.
The orphanage has been so helpful for the community, isn't it? Yeah. Because most of the people here come from this side to go and work, and they get something by the end of the day, and that's how it is. I mean, with me, I don't want to be bringing people from town, Bunyigi. Sasa unatoa watu town na waleta kufanya kazi na nyinyi mko hapa.
Hapa.
I want you to be working slowly by slowly, because there are people who are maybe doubting you and they're asking, does Bunyigi really have a wife, or does Bunyigi really have kids? Because the way he's acting very weirdly, you know. But sometimes people might, you might be bad looking the face, but you have a clean heart. and you might be very clean and very charming, but a very bad heart. So that's why we say don't judge by the look, just wait and see how stuff are moving. And yeah, sasa kesho utaweka mambolea bro.
Kesho nitaweka.
Kesho hata usipokuja kazi nitakuja tu, nitapita tu ni confirm nione kweli Bunyigi aliweka mbolea.
Sawa.
Yeah, we don't want that maybe your maize is down, others people maize are up. Yeah, kama isipotosha tena itabidi ukuje kazi ufanye kazi sasa. Ndio uweke.
Sawa.
Yeah. So that's how things are moving, and at least that's how things will move on. Bunyigi nisije nisikie tumepigana na bibi Bunyigi.
Hapana, siwezi.
Uje huko
achana hizo vitu kabisa.
Huko kwa mtandao Bunyigi.
Kabisa.
Huko kwa mtandao sasa ukipigana na bibi ukweli
siwezi.
Utaona tu watu kama mimi wanakuja na uniform yenye haiko. Na si vizuri kuwa huko. Because you have a family. We don't want you to fight. Just really work hard and always be somebody who is a presentable as a dad. Yeah guys, so let's keep on moving and we see how stuffs are moving on, and we keep on moving around, you know. Alright guys, so guys, we came back, and this is what you see. The work is still ongoing. No. Okay Jumba, naona kazi inasonga. The work is going on the other side. Oh, okay. So that's what you see. What's how the work is going. So I have to rush home, then I'll be back, and you see how the work is ongoing. So Kale bunarudi. Aye. So slowly but slowly have to go back home, and we see how things will be. Sawa Bunyigi bwana.
Sawa bwana.
Taniangalizia hapa. Alright guys, that's how everything is. And also they want to put that small reef over there. Sawa mura. And then we'll be back. Alright guys, see you home.